How exactly you think technology has changed value investing or market behavior? There was a time when there was paucity of information, information was an edge. Now it is abundance of information, and how you choose and how you react to information, that is an edge. How exactly do you think information and technology has changed the whole dynamics of value investing?
So I think that's a very interesting question, Nikunj. I teach that in the class also. If you look at from a pure value investing perspective, the things that truly matter in determining whether investment in a certain business will make money for you over time or not, those things have not changed. The number of variables, the number of factors that you have to think about when you think about investing in a certain business, they haven't changed, but the information surrounding them, and not just them, but also many other factors which have an influence on stock prices, but have zero influence on those three or four things that truly matter for from a business fundamental point of view, they have grown like crazy. So if to put it in perspective, if you think about it as noise to signal, the noise to signal ratio has become very large and it's growing exponentially, which means that the signal, which is the little dot in a circle about things that really matter, that remains unchanged, but the circle of information, a lot of which is actually noise, keeps growing over time. So the key trick to learn is to how to focus on the signal, how to not give into the cacophony around that signal, because with all that cacophony, the signal will get drowned out. So how to identify signal is the key sort of skill to acquire. And it has always been the case, but it's becoming harder because of the growth in the signal noise to signal ratio. And I think the big lesson for investors is to learn how to focus on what truly matters and ignore everything else. So that's the key thing that has made technology has made that harder, actually, I would say. Today you have a world where people have access to real-time information about companies, about data, about the stock prices. But the things that truly matter from a fundamental point of view, they are things like the quality of the balance sheet, the how much the product is liked by the customers, the competitive advantage it has, and how the business is changing over time. Those things don't change in a single day, whereas all the other things that I talked about, they're new developments happening on a daily basis. So the technology, I think, is actually making it harder for people to focus on the signal.